This is how you can join and leave a breakout room if your teacher decides to use those with you. So if a teacher creates a breakout room, you will know that you are being invited into one, because when they open the rooms, you are going to get this little pop-up here. And most likely your teacher is going to want you to join right away. But if they tell you no, you can always click later. And to access your breakout room, it's down here where it says Join Breakout Room at the bottom of your screen. So I'm going to join my breakout room. And it's going to feel like I left Zoom for a moment because it goes black. But then once I'm in my breakout room, it will open up like this. Then if you look down here at the bottom, you're going to see who is, you will see that you have the option to still, if your teacher enabled, you can share your screen, just like in the main room. So if you're working with your friends in the breakout room, you could share your screen to talk about an assignment or maybe collaborate on a project together. And the other nice feature is you can let your teacher know you need help. So if you click this, your teacher is going to get a little notification, if you click the invite host, that they need to join your breakout room because you need help. So that lets them know. And I can just click X out of there so that it gets out of my way. And I can keep working. And that way I'm able to talk to my teacher even though I can't see him or her while still working. When you're all done and ready to leave your breakout room, you're going to see a little red button down here says Leave Breakout Room. You can click that. Or sometimes your teachers are going to close a breakout room. And if they close, you're going to get this little pop-up. And it'll have a countdown. Sometimes it's a minute, sometimes it's a little shorter. And when you click this blue button, Return to Main Session, that will take you back to the main room. So again, you can click this Leave Breakout Room at the bottom. Or if your teacher has announced that the breakout rooms are closing, you can also click this blue button. If I click that, it returns me back to my main room, and I can continue on with my lesson.